Good evening, everyone. Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a new unboxing video. I actually found something pretty cool today and like to open it up and show you what it is. It's in the mystery box. It is a brand new Canadian National cylindrical hopper made by Bachmann. You can see the detail is very nicely molded in on the sides. Even the little inscriptions right there on the bottom in between those little the piping that's there on the side looks really nice. Found these today at one of the local stores. And this is actually my first CN car. I had never purchased a CN car. Very, very beautiful. And I love CN. I've always liked CN because of their paint schemes and also because they actually bought some of the American railroads like Illinois Central, Grand Trunk Western, Bessemer, Lake Erie, Wisconsin Central. And they actually have the older locomotives like IC, WC, BC Rail. They still have locomotives in those original colors, and I love them for that. But to have a car like this on the layout is going to really look really cool with the gunmetal gray and the stamped red CN letters on the side. I love this car. As you can see on the bottom, it's nicely done on the bottom with all these little molded in hatch doors. Even these little rivets right there look pretty cool. They went back to the plastic wheels, which aren't bad. It actually makes the car run a lot quieter, but to me, I prefer the metal wheels. Aside from that, this is a really cool looking car. You can see the ladders are nicely done here. And even the lettering is just nice. I've always liked Bachmann on this part as well. Even the top is nice done with all these little molded in details. Very, very nicely done. I'll bring it closer to the camera where you can see it a little bit better. It's really, really awesome, and I love the detail on this. And I will be doing an in-action video with this car very soon. So, anyway, I thought I would show you all the latest edition of the layout, the O-gauge layout, HO layout, that is. It's been a long day, but really, 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 really pretty car. So anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoy this little video here, and you're going to be seeing it on the HO layout real soon. All right, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you next time. All right, peace out.